Some more details about the Galaxy A33 has been arrived. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, Samsung has just unveiled the Galaxy A13 and A23. Now the next plan from Samsung is obviously going to be the mid-range category devices, and they are starting from A33 up to the A73, and in between we have most popular device, the A53. Well, we already know that the certification for all these devices has been available all from different vendors. Now we have some new leaks regarding the Galaxy A33. The number one thing which we are going to be talking about is the design. It's going to be coming with a U-shaped notch on the front and coming with an AMOLED display with a 90 Hz of refresh rate. Also, it's going to be seen an in-display fingerprint scanner just like the last year model. On the front, we have small bezels around the edges, but there is definitely a big chin available. As far as the design is concerned, on the back we have a new camera bump instead of the single camera layout. So in my opinion, I think Samsung will be bringing same camera design for its A series devices. Other than that, we are not going to see any difference as compared to the last year model in terms of design. Moving forward, we have some improvement in the internals as well. This time we are going to see the Exynos 1280 processor inside the Galaxy A33, which is probably going to be a shift from Samsung from Dimensity and Snapdragon processor. And it's also going to be based on 5nm architecture. So having a device which is based on 5nm definitely means that it's going to be power efficient. Moving forward, we also going to see a 5000 mAh of a battery capacity with a 25 watt of a charging brick, but unfortunately you are only going to see 15 watt charger inside the box. As far as the memory and RAM configuration is concerned, it's going to be coming with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of expandable storage when paired with Exynos 1280 processor. It's unclear that the Exynos 1280 will perform better as compared to the last year processor because it's yet been unannounced. We don't know about its performance, and some leakers believe that its performance will be even worse than the Exynos 1080 from last year. Personally, I don't think that this is going to be the case because Samsung will be bringing an upgrade, so we do hope that this processor might even perform better than the last year Exynos 1080. Moving forward, we also have different storage options, like we have 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal expandable storage, which definitely means we are going to see micro SD card slot inside the device. Unfortunately, one big thing that has been removed is the 3.5mm headphone jack support for the Galaxy A33. In general, all the Galaxy A series mid-range devices might not be coming with a 3.5mm headphone jack according to the leaks and rumors. The leaks also point out that we are not going to see the 4G variant for Galaxy A33, and Samsung will only bring the 5G variant with their new processor. Moving forward, the Galaxy A33 will be coming with Android 12 with One UI 4.1 on top of that, which is definitely going to be a big improvement. Also, Samsung is bringing the 4-year of software upgrade, so if you buy the Galaxy A33, it will definitely last towards the A16. So probably this is going to be a good option in budget. In terms of cameras, they are definitely going to be exactly same as the Galaxy A32 5G. So guys, the pricing of the Galaxy A33 will be around €369 based on leaks. So definitely it's going to be similar to the Galaxy A32 5G. These are my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited for the Galaxy A33? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do consider subscribing to the channel if you like it. Peace.